Hey everyone, welcome back to Inkmatic, back here with another video. I hope you're doing well. This is episode 44 in the Trading 212 portfolio update. Today we're going to be talking about the top performers, worst performers, my buys and my sells over the last 7 days. So yeah, let's get started. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So as you can see here, the portfolio is now at £8,316.43p. I've invested £8,518.21p. I am down £201.82p. That's 2.37%. So I've invested about £410 over the last 7 days. We're going to start off with what are the top performers. Over the last 7 days, Alibaba is up 8.61%. That's $22.87. I've got 1.7 shares remaining. My returns at the moment is £97.32p. I'm up 35.97%. My average price is at $203. Moving on to the next one, which is American Express, has been doing quite well over the last 7 days. It is up 6.62%. That's $6.37. Up in the last 7 days. I've got one share. I'm up 1.9%. That's £1.43p. My average price is at $94.72. So it's not doing too bad. I do want to increase this at some point, but just not right now. Disney is also doing really well. Over the last 7 days, it is up 6.6%, and that's around $8.41. I've got one share with an average price of $111.06. I'm up £14.36p, that's 16.41% in the green. The other one that's been doing really well at the moment is, over the last 7 days anyway, is Uber, which is up 9.5%. That's up $2.93 in the last 7 days. I've got 5.5 shares. Return at the moment is £21.67p. That's 18.43%. My average price is at $27.40. There was a recent drop with Uber, and I believe this was down to the Californian legislation that was passed, requiring to make their drivers full-time employees and provide benefits to them. And Microsoft is the other top performer this week. It is up 6.79%. That's $14.48. I've got 1.55 shares. I'm up £54.92p. That's 26.17% in the green. My average price is at $174. So it's not too bad. I think it's doing really well. I'm going to be holding on to this for a long time. Do you guys think that they're going to acquire TikTok, or do you think that's going to go to Oracle? And if you do think they're going to acquire it, do you think that's going to be a positive or a bad thing? Leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the like button. Moving on to worst performers this week. So that is, you probably already know what my worst performer all time is anyway. It is, if I can find it, it is New River REIT. So New River REIT has seen a drop of 6.42% in the last 7 days. I am down £246.87p. That's 47.93%. I've got 450 shares in that, and that's definitely making a huge impact on my portfolio. And the other one that has seen quite a drop this week is National Grid. It is down 3.93%. That's 34p in the red. Talking about National Grid anyway, I've actually increased my position in this over the last 7 days. I've purchased 6 additional shares, bringing up to a total of 11 shares. I am down £2.09p, that's 2.21%. My average price is £8.59p, so I think it's a reasonable price, to be honest. I'm pretty happy with that. The other buys that I've had this week is AT&T. I have increased it very, very slightly. This was just basically some leftover change that I had on the account, and I've increased it by 0.15 of a share. And the performance overall is, I've got 10.15 shares. I am down £6.58p. That's 2.81%. Looking at this, you can see that with Trading 212's new feature, so you can see the FX impact is what's actually bringing my overall portfolio down. if we were just looking at a US dollars, I would actually be up £1.71p, but due to the currency market, I'm actually down overall. Realty income, where is realty income, is the next one that I've increased my position in. I've purchased half a share of realty income, bringing it to overall of 11 shares. I am up 1.76%, that's £8.95p, and if we look at the breakdown, we can see that I am actually up 5.1%. However, the currency market is bringing the overall returns down to 1.76. I am actually losing about £17 due to the currency market. Don't forget, when investing in international stocks, that you need to factor in currency markets, as this can dictate whether you're in profit or in a loss. But yeah, if you're interested in checking it out, the beta link is in the description. So Main Street Capital is the next one that I've increased my position in. I've purchased an additional 6.1 shares, bringing it to a total of 15 shares. I've got 16, I'm down £16.77p, that's 4.63%. This is a monthly dividend payer, so I'm pretty happy with it. I think it's going to go up in the long run, but in the meantime, you can see that I am overall in a loss with both the share price and the FX impact as well. Moving on to Telefonica, I've purchased an additional 5 shares in Telefonica just because it was down quite a lot, and I think it was a good price to average down a little bit. So I purchased an additional 5 shares, bringing it to 35. I'm down £52.72p, that's 33.17% in the red. Gains and losses, I am in the red. However, the FX impact is actually working in my favour, reducing my losses down by 2.87%, so that's good. Also, the last one and probably the largest increase that I've done overall is with Energy Transfer. I've purchased an additional 45 shares, bringing it to 250 shares in total. Returns at the moment, I'm down £64.91p, that's 4.99%. Gains and losses at the moment, I'm in a loss, and that is £22.49p, that's 1.72%. And in this case, we can see the FX impact is actually greater than my actual loss, if we were just working in US dollars. And that is £42.42p, that is 3.26% in the red. So that is pretty much my buys for the last 7 days. I'd be interested to know what stocks that you guys have purchased over the last 7 days. And if you're interested in trying out Trading 212, you can use my referral link and you'll get a free share worth up to £100 when you sign up. So that's ink.yt/trading212. Lastly, I want to move over to my sells. And there was one stock that I've sold this week, which is Twitter. I had sold this just because I think it was doing pretty well and I was up around 30%. So I figured it was a time for me to, take my profits and look to, maybe get into it if it drops again around $32, $33. Then I would look into reopening that position. But for now, I'm happy with what I've gained. I sold this share for around $40.36, which bring a profit of around £15.84p. So I'm happy with that gain. It is increased a little bit further since I've sold it. It's currently at $41, but I'm not too worried about it. I'm happy where I got out, so that's good enough for me. So yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know what you guys think. If you're interested in trying out the new beta iOS app with the new features which Trading 212 has released, link is in the description, which shows you a breakdown of your gains, the FX impact, also import and export pies and share pies, which is also included in the iOS beta. Links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to get a free share, head over to ink.yt/trading212. Links are also in the description where you can get 3 free shares. That's it. See you on the next one.